Hello and welcome back, guys, to Master English Hub. Have you ever heard someone say, for all intensive purposes? It sounds right, doesn't it? But it's actually wrong. Even native English speakers make these mistakes all the time. And today, we're going to uncover some of the most common phrases people get wrong so you never confuse them again. If you want to boost your English, avoid embarrassing mistakes, and sound more confident, then you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. 1. For all intensive purposes. Many people say for all intensive purposes. But the correct phrase is for all intents and purposes. It means essentially or effectively. The mistake happens because intensive is a real word, but it just doesn't belong here. 2. Scapegoat. Here's another classic, a scapegoat. Funny, right? But it's not correct. The real phrase is scapegoat, a person who gets blamed for something they didn't do. 3. Mute point. Have you ever heard someone say, that's a mute point? Nope, that's wrong. The right phrase is moot point. It means something debatable or maybe even irrelevant. Mute means silent, so you can see why people get confused. 4. Statute of limitations. And one of my favorites, statute of limitations. Sounds dramatic, right? But it's incorrect. The real phrase is statute of limitations. It's a legal term, a law that sets a time limit for taking action in court. See what I mean? Language is like a puzzle. You think you've got all the pieces, but sometimes they just don't fit. Now it's your turn. What's the funniest or most confusing phrase you've ever heard someone get wrong? Be brave, drop it in the comments, and let's compare answers. If you found this helpful, hit like so more people can discover these tips. And don't forget to subscribe to Master English Hub for more lessons on common English mistakes, idioms, and fluency tips. Remember, language isn't about being perfect. It's about being clear, confident, and understood. See you in the next video.